Select the company to add in the incoming quotation entries and to view it to report. Click Entries. There will be few sub-tabs underneath Purchasing Department. Click on Incoming Quotation. Add in the supplier's name, supplier details, country, quotation ref number, quotation date, quotation terms, quotation validity, attention to into the respective columns. To add in the items, fill in the product code, product description, quantity, unit price and SSD amount. Click on the green Add button. Then click Save Quotation. To view the incoming quotation reports, click on the Reports tab. Then, click the Purchase Reports, and there will be few sub-tabs underneath. Click on Quotation Report. To search the quotation report, in all these ways or by just clicking Search Quotation. You can view all the invoices underneath it as you scroll down. You can click on the magnifying glass to view the incoming quotation. Click the red X button to delete the quotation. These are the steps as illustrated. Thank you for watching.